So today is your neck, shoulders, and your, let me see, what is it, Christy? Your neck,
Yes.
shoulders, and you have that migraine headache again?
Yes.
Okay, for a couple days? Okay.
Yes.
What's around? I have to check this one. Your back is very good. Can left hand on your back, behind your back. Okay. Nice and fine. And hand down. Right hand behind your back. And down. Both hands behind your back. Both. Okay. And down. Okay, hand down. Left hand over your head. Yes, right there. Can you put your hand down? Yes. Right hand over your head, the same. Okay. Okay, both hands down on your sides. Turn your head on the left side. Nice. Lift the left shoulder off the table. Okay, down. Both shoulder up to your ear. Okay, down. Oh, look good to me. T1. T1 look good. Okay, both shoulder up to your ear and rotation back your scapula and down. Turn your head down, please. Oh, nice, Jimmy. Okay. Turn your head again on the left side. And left elbow close to your body. Okay, here we go. I see something here. Yes. Your scapula. Just relaxing. Left elbow close to your body again. Nice. Okay, relax. Right elbow close to your body. Okay. Turn your head down. And both shoulder up to your ears and down. Look up. And down. Oh, there's something here. C5. That's you.
It does. Yes.
Look up. Down. Look down at your chest and relax. See something there. Look. C1 on this side. Okay. Oh, feel that right away. Wow, that's the reason why you have the head in my way. Is that okay?
It is.
It's hurt, I can tell.
It does. More than
Okay, look
usual.
down your chest. Relax. Okay, press your face face down and relaxing. Something there on the same size. Not the reason why you did.
It hurt like that.
Right. Okay, brush your face down again. Okay, relaxing. Yeah, nice. Okay, left shoulder up and hold. Down, turn your hand down. Turn your thumb up. And hold out. Hold there. Okay, and like swimming. Just, yes, good job. And come back on the table. Nice. See there. See something here. Is it okay? Put your hand over your head. No, no, this hand. Oh, over. Oh, yes. And lift your elbow, left elbow up. Yes, and down. Okay, put your hand down on the table. This hand up and hold. Okay. Turn your head down. Okay, lift your thumb up. Okay, and your head out and hold. Okay, and swim your hand up and down and on your sides. Oh, this one good. Put your hand over your head, over. And lift up the elbow and down. Nice. And put your hand down on the table. Can you turn your head on the left side and look up and relaxing? And look down and relax. Okay, turn your head down and look up and relaxing.
Sí, acá con mi hermano y mi mamá y mi suegro.
Because she always have the neck, shoulder affected to her migraine headache. So that's why I try to show her how to use this one at home to make the muscle release. Okay? So can you just lie down? I put on where you feel there. And you up again. Up and down. Which one? You feel that?
I do.
Okay, can you just come out closer? How I put, not on the spine, both sides, okay? Right and left. Okay, job. She can lie down like that for 7 minutes first, and after that, she can increase the time, 10, 15 minutes later, okay? They can use the big towels and roll them formally like this, and put the ice and another towel over that, and can you lie down? Can you lie down? Feel there? On your curve of your neck,
I do.
right? So with the ice, the big towel, roll that for this about like 15 to 20 minutes every day. If